Why do people get sick? We get sick because of toxin overload. When we go to supermarket, we find a lot of foods, canned goods that we are buying, such as potassium bromate, polysorbate 80, diacetyl, MSG, sucralose, benzoic acid. All these harmful chemicals are cancer-causing foods. If we buy processed meat, there is a preservative called sodium nitrate, which is also cancer-causing food. We buy canned goods such as spam, ham, corned beef. They all have food coloring, additives, preservatives. All are harmful to our body. Statistics would say that if you eat 12 hot dogs a month, you are high risk for leukemia. If you eat 6 bacons a week, you are high risk for stroke. And if you eat 1 hot dog or 1 sausage plus 3 bacons, you are high risk for colon cancer. When you go to fast food restaurants, you will encounter 3 worst foods: French fries, donut, soft drinks. French fries, it is called cancer fries. When you repeatedly dip the food in the oil, it increases the acrylamide level. It releases free radicals, which is a cancer-causing chemical as well. Donut has no nutrients. It has flours, which causes constipation, and it is very sugary. We know that sugar feeds cancer. Sugar suppresses the immune system, and sugar glues to the power of 10. Sugar causes inflammation of the body, which is the culprit of all diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, and cancer and other degenerative diseases. Soft drinks. We thought that artificial sweetener diet soda is okay, but we didn't know that artificial sweetener has a chemical called aspartame, the end product of which is formaldehyde. We know that formaldehyde is being used as a preservative for cadaver. When you go to the wet market, we buy pork, beef, and chicken. It takes 1 month to digest this food. It stores in the colon. Bacteria, parasites, and toxins multiply fast, and it circulates in body as poison. This will affect the body's filtering organ, the kidney, and the liver. Your colon is now begging for help because of toxic overload. The colon is 5 to 6 feet long, and it swells double its size. It is the dirtiest organ of the body. So when there is toxic overload, full of parasites, bacteria, fungus, and toxins, diseases will appear. A clogged and dirty colon is the root cause of all diseases. So when we are sick, we thought medication is the miracle cure. But we didn't know that it only shortens our life. It is like a band-aid. It's just temporary, suppressing the root cause of all the diseases. But you know that drugs is number 3 killer now in America, and medication has a lot of side effects in the body because of synthetic chemicals, and it is foreign body. A pill for every ill. For example, if you're taking medication right now, 10 years from now, you will double your medications because of its side effects. It doesn't create cures, but it creates more illnesses because it destroys the kidney, the liver, and other organs of the body. Diseases start with a toxic colon. Toxins come from the foods that we eat, causing 99% of diseases such as cancer, diabetes, hypertension, and other degenerative diseases. If we don't remove the toxins in our body, then we are like a walking time bomb. Anytime it will explode to a dreadful disease and a death sentence. Diseases doesn't happen overnight. It is the accumulation of toxin stuck in the colon through the years. With a clean colon, all metabolic diseases go away. When our intestine is clogged, our body cannot absorb the necessary nutrients of a healthy diet. Toxins circulate back to the body that causes different kinds of diseases. We at Tree of Life Wellness Center would like to reveal to you the latest breakthrough secret towards natural healing, and it is hydrocolonics and juicing therapy. What is hydrocolonics? Hydro means water, colonics means colon. You insert nozzle in the anus in order to clean the entire colon. And the result is amazing. Pain is gone, bleeding stops. When toxin is removed, all metabolic diseases will go away, even stage 4 cancer. The good news is our body is capable of healing by itself only if we remove the toxins. The toxins in our body can only be removed through hydrocolonics and juicing therapy. This is the most effective way of treating diseases or curing diseases, the absolute first step towards healing. What is juicing therapy? It is a combination of fruits and vegetables. Fruits, they are cleanser. Vegetable, they are healer, nourisher, regenerator. They are living enzymes. They are 10,000 times more potent than drugs. They are superfoods, antioxidants, phytochemicals, micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals. They are what we need in order to have good health. Here at Tree of Life Wellness Center, we use food as medicine. No drugs, no surgery, no chemo, no radiation, no dialysis. With a clean colon, all metabolic diseases go away. If you clean your colon through hydrocolonics and juicing therapy, you will experience instant healing and instant energy. You will say bye-bye to all your illnesses. Call us now at 776-3742 and 44 or 0916-595-8310. Visit us at our website www.treeoflifewc.com.